Speak English with Teacher Feb presents The Am Family Letter Sounds Intervention Video Part 11. This is Allison. Her family name is A. Allison is from the short vowel family. What's her family name again? Ah, that's right. Ah. Now say it again. Ah. This is Manny. His family name is M. Manny's from the consonant family. What's his family name again? That's right. Now say it again. Together, Allison A and Manny are called Am. That's Am. Now say it again. Am. Allison A and Manny have kids. Do you want to know their names? Then listen well and sound out along with me. Bam. Bam. Dam. Dam. Ham. Ham. Jam. Jam. Pan. Pam. Ram. Ram. Sam. Am. Sam. Y. Am. Yam. Y. Am. Yam. So there you have it. Allison and Manny with their 8 kids. They are the Am family. Let's practice one more time. Bam. Dam. Ham. Jam. Pam. Ram. Sam. Yam. Good job! Now here's a bonus lesson for you. Listen well and repeat after the pause. Pam loves ham. She has a damn sheep. Sam loves jam. He has a ram. Pam and Sam plant yam. Bam! Pam's damn sheep and Sam's ram make such a loud noise. Pam loves ham. She has a damn sheep. Sam loves jam. He has a ram. Pam and Sam plant yam. Bam! Pam's damn sheep and Sam's ram make such a loud noise. Watch out for the next letter sounds intervention video. If you find this video useful, please feel free to share it. Thank you for watching.